Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to use Voice Assistant in BYD. Let's start with checking the Voice Assistant settings. Firstly, let's go to Menu and go to BYD Assistant. Right here we can find all Voice Assistant settings. We can check commands, wake up free commands, audio zone settings, and wake word. Let's start with audio wake up. You may say hey BYD,
yes,
or hi BYD to activate Voice Assistant, but also you can set up your custom Voice Assistant activation word. For example, hello my car. And now you will say hello my car, and it will activate Voice Assistant. Hello my car.
hi there.
Next, let's go to audio zone settings. In here, we can enable passenger's seat. This will give permission to passenger to also activate Voice Assistant. In wake up free, we can enable wake up free commands. For example, if you enable AC control, you can say simply turn on AC
The AC is already on.
without the wake word. And this goes also for volume control, map navigation, telephone control, play control, and home commands. Let's go back. And here we can enable continuous dialogue. Thanks to this function, Voice Assistant will remain activated for a short period after a previous response. Also, we can change voice volume and voice language. Next, we can manage voice version and authorize BYD Voice Assistant. Now let's take a look what we can do with the Voice Assistant in BYD. Let's go to voice skills. Here, what's the most interesting thing is vehicle control. Thanks to vehicle control, we can manage AC, seats, control windows, sunshade. For example, let's say, hi BYD,
I'm here.
open sunshade.
The blind is open.
As you can see in the reflection, sunshade opens. Now, let's say, close sunshade.
Where do you want to go?
Close sunshade. Hey BYD,
Hello.
close sunshade.
The blind is already set as you requested.
Close it. Hey BYD. Hey BYD,
I'm here.
close sunshade.
The blind is already set as you requested.
Sometimes it works as it wants. But also we can enable reading lights, turn on reading lights, open windows. Let's check it. Hey BYD,
Yes?
open window.
All right.
And the window of the driver's seat opens. And that's basically it. Try your BYD Assistant and let us know how you like it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment and subscribe and hit the thumb up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.